Hello traders, and welcome to our edition of Tactics and Analysis for Tuesday, June the 13th. U.S. crude oil's volatile range remains a dangerous testing ground for traders. A rather rapid-fire test of values has been seen within the commodity the past 2 weeks. Crude oil has seen its consolidated mode produce surges up and down. In the past week, it has been support levels which have been traversed and broken through. However, on Monday, the commodity showed the ability to move higher. But U.S. crude oil still remains within its bearish terrain as sellers have created fairly consistent downward pressure. Last week's large increase in U.S. supply numbers will be tested anew tomorrow when the states publish their weekly crude oil inventories data. The crude oil market has been within a consistent and consolidated trading range, although recent downward pressure has touched upon dangerous low water marks. A price juncture between $46 and $49 a barrel has been rather evident since the beginning of June. Lower value levels seen in early May, which are quite comparable to the trend being seen now, produced a rather solid climb in price. If traders have a speculative flair and believe U.S. crude oil has been oversold, they may be tempted to look for buying opportunities if they're trading for the short term and technically. Speculation has been the name of the game in crude oil as supply and production news continues to mash with political news. The decision by the Trump administration to pull out of the Paris Climate Accords has essentially opened the door to the possibility of greater energy exploration and production from the states, and this will continue to create headwinds for U.S. crude oil prices. However, a look at a long-term chart of crude oil shows its consolidated stance has consistently bounced back and forth between support and resistance. Crude oil may not be loved as a commodity for the moment, but its lower values do open the door to the possibility of reversals. U.S. crude oil remains a trade for traders who are vigilant and can withstand temporary fluctuations. The next couple of trading days for the commodity will likely offer opportunities. In the short term, we believe crude oil may be positive. In the midterm and long term, we are unbiased. Thank you all for watching our Tactics and Analysis. We wish you all a wonderful trading day, and we will see you again tomorrow.